In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill service. Tap on Google Password Manager and tap on any password that you wish to check. Following that, enter your current login method and tap on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!